Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I will be showing you 5 hidden iPhone settings that are secretly creating your battery. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix this, what you can do is first a background app refresh. App keeps running when you are not using them, so what you can do is just simply head over to your settings. Once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is select General. Then inside General, what you need to do is scroll down and you'll find an option that says Background App Refresh. Simply select that. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is simply select Background App Refresh, and here either you can turn it off or simply choose Wi-Fi only, and you can also simply disable any apps you don't need by simply tapping on or toggling it off. The next is system services you don't need, like massive GPS drain. So what you can do is head over back to your settings, then scroll down until you find the privacy and setting option. And once you're inside the privacy and security, what you need to do is select location services, and then what you need to do here is simply turn off the apps which are location-based alerts, location-based suggestions, significant locations, iPhone analytics, routing and traffic, improved maps or HomeKit. Leave on only essential like Find My Phone, emergency calls and SOS, and call network. The next is 5G Auto. Switch to 5G on or LTE only. 5G Auto drains battery by constantly switching between networks. What you need to do now in order to turn it off is simply head over back to your settings, and then inside settings simply select cellular. Then once you're inside the cellular, what you need to do is select cellular data options. Then once you're inside the cellular data options, select voice and data, and now here you need to select either 5G on or LTE, but avoid 5G auto as it drains more and more battery. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.